Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you how to install VMware Workstation on Windows 11. So let's get started. So as you know, VMware is a hypervisor and we will be installing the VMware Workstation Pro version. So this is the official website for VMware. I will give the link in the description box below so you can check it out, and I'll just close this. So the alternative for VMware is VirtualBox, and I've already made a video on it, so you can go and check that out. The link will be provided in the description below. So as you can see, now we are going to download the VMware Workstation Pro version. So as it says, is the industry standard desktop hypervisor for running virtual machines on Linux or Windows PCs. So we will be using the 30 days trial version. So I will provide this link as well in the description, but if you are not able to get it, just search on Google VMware Workstation download. So come here and the first link, so the same link will open. So now all we have to do is scroll down, and as I'm using a Windows PC, I'll just click on download here and a file will start downloading. So I will just cancel it because I already have it downloaded on my system. So I'll just cancel it. So the downloaded file will look something like this. So I'll just double click on it and launch it. So okay, I'll just cancel it for now. It again, click on yes for administrator permissions, and so Workstation Player 16 VMware. Preparing to install. Okay, so I'll just click on next and agree to the license agreement. Click on next, and now it is asking install Windows hypervisor platform automatically. So I don't need that, so I will just keep it on uncheck and just click next. Now here it is asking me for enhanced keyboard driver. I don't need that, so leave it on default, and add workstation console into system path. I just need that, so I'll just leave it on default. Now this is optional, this is for user experience, so if you want it you could keep it, if you don't you could just uncheck it. So I'll just uncheck for both of it and click on next. I need the shortcut, so I'll just leave it on default and click on install. So it shouldn't take a lot of time and it should get installed quickly. So we will be installing Kali Linux, Parrot OS and other OS on virtual machine on VMware very soon, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. So if you have a license, you will click on license, otherwise I'll just click on finish and I will launch VMware Workstation. So I don't have a key as of now, so I will just use the free version for non-commercial use and click on continue, and it shows a thank you message. So this is the interface for VMware, and now as I want to make new machines, so I will just click here and then I could select my ISO disk file and continue it. So I will be making those videos in the future as well, so till then make sure to subscribe. And this is the basic interface of VMware, and that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.